Hello everyone, my name is Jaxcraft, and as you can tell, it is almost Halloween. So, let's just get this video started. Gravity Falls Comic Dub Smooth Sailing, Part 2 by Dry Guy. And go.
Stanley! Stan? Please, please, Stan! Stan! He's bleeding. Is he okay? Look at me, Stan. Look at me. Get up. Damn it! You've got to get up, Stanley. Stay with me. Stay with me. We must go home now. Stanley! Stanley, please wake up, Stanley. Stanley! Stanley! Stanley!
Nightmare? Yep.
Ford? Stanley, you're awake. Did you have to punch me off the Stanawar? What? Never mind. Just let me. No, Stan. Don't get up. The wound might open. Are the kids all right at least? Yes. They're coming here soon. Stanley, Ford, what's wrong now? The danger passed. We defeated that demon guy, right? So you can go back to that lab of yours and just leave me alone. Stanley. Huh? Stanley, I'm so sorry it had to turn out this way, Stan. You were out for a week and I thought I just thought that. Don't worry. I know how you feel. I had to go through the same, but for much longer. Stanley, you were right about me being a lousy brother. All I did was push you away. How can I ever make it up to you? Well, you can start by handing me my glasses. I can hardly see your remorseful face. I love you, Stan. I love you too, Ford.
Well, that was a great ending. So, he was dreaming all that time? Wow. Alright guys, see you next time. Bye.